Welcome back. In this video, we will use the feature extraction function from Hugging Face package to perform embedding task. Embedding refers to a vector representation of a word or phrase that an AI can understand. Vector here simply means a list of numbers. So let's begin. Create a new file in the same project. Now import the .env config function. Next, we will use the feature extraction function from the Hugging Face package. So let's import it. Now, execute the function and store the result into a variable called embedding. This function, similar to others, requires a config object that sets the model we want to use for this task. Next, we set the inputs that we want the model to process. And lastly, set the API token from the .env. Now, for the model, we can explore the Hugging Face website to find the specific model for our use case. So let's visit huggingface.co/models. Here, in the left panel, expand the task category. Below you will find the feature extraction filter under the NLP subcategory. Click on it. Now scroll to the top and click on the inference filter to list only those models that are available for inference. Now choose the model that fits for you. Open the model and copy its name. Now back to VS Code. Paste the name in the model key of the config object. Next, just print out the complete result onto the console. Finally, open up the terminal and execute the file with Node. You will see a list of numbers, formerly a vector printed on it. This is the vector representation of the word that we gave as the input, which is electric bulb. The terminal won't print all of it. So let us check what length is of the vector. So, two small words, in their vector form contains 4096 numbers. These actual numbers don't matter to humans. They matter to computers for comparison. Two different texts with similar meaning will have similar embeddings. This is how semantic search works. In the next video, we will compare two embeddings and measure similarity. See you in the next video.